Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing about the trade setups which are giving some good potential to be traded on the next trading session, which is tomorrow, and we'll be doing the analysis of Nifty. So let's start quickly with the Nifty analysis. This is the 15-minute chart for Nifty futures, the current month, and if you see, we are trading in this range. So basically, the momentum which was lurking very high, or it was momentum, just giving the good momentum to the upside, has subsided. So basically, if you see on a 30-minute chart, one can clearly see that this is the range in which Nifty has been trading since 11th of November. Almost most half of the November has gone into this range. Today is 23. So decisively, if this is broken to the downside, 18,000, 18,020 on the futures. So if 18,000 is broken to the downside, or 18,489 on the futures chart, it is broken 18,000, roughly 18,500 is broken to the upside, then we will be seeing a possible good rally, possible rally of a new all-time high. And if it fails to go above and breaks down here below 18,000, then possibly this up move is completed and we will be heading down lower. So this is the point where we should be cautious. In this area, try to avoid most of the short-term trades. In fact, if you can see, we have been trading in this range from 2 days. See, now the range has shifted from 18,400 on the upside to 18,150 roughly on the lower side. This day, after making this horrendous candle, did not go much down, and it was just navigating in this area. The other day, it was just into a range of this previous day. Today again, the high of this particular day, 18 number, was not breached, and it came back into yesterday's range. So the volatility here is shrinking. What it implies that we may be heading for a move into a high volatility stage. So just keep an eye if Nifty breaks above 18,400 on the upside and 18,150 on the lower side. Then what will be our trading chances? Once it breaks to the upside, just wait for the pullback. Any swing which is created like this, you'll be just going long above this one and keeping this stop loss simply just below that pivot low or swing low, whatever you would like to call that. And after making these two last candles, which are heavy on the bear side, if it manages to go down and gives a pullback, generally people are in the habit of just going into the trade once a breakout happens. But instead, I would be recommending something like this: let it break out, give a shallow pullback, and if it is a genuine pullback or genuine breakout, then pullback will be shallow and bulls will cross this barrier which will be made as a small high. Same logic applies to the lower side as well. If bulls are really wanting to take Nifty down or the market down, they will definitely cross this area. And once this small pivot high or swing high has been made, you will have a good point or good risk reward to hide your stop loss just below above this. So this condition is wait and watch. Let it move decisively either upside from 18,400 or below 18,150. So these are the two conditions I will be watching for in case of Nifty futures. So let's quickly look at the stocks. All right, the first one is Syngene. Syngene has been making a move to the upside in today's session. As you can see, these two swings were quite good, And if you just zoom out, then you will see that after making this high, this new high has been created. You see, this new high has been created around 648, and the pullback seems to be completed here. The pullback seems to be completed here, just around 61.8 and 70% area. Sorry. So this leg may be a new leg going to the upside. So there are two possibilities here. This is a complete one swing. If this swing is not completed, then you will be getting multiple, breakdowns to the upside. In that case, buy above 619.35, just above this, and put the stop loss around 610.3. As it keeps moving in the process like this, just keep the stop loss trailing, so that you will be able to enter into the trade, and whatever juice is left in this stop for moving upside, you will be able to take that. And if this stock starts to falter, that means if it starts to give a pullback, just watch the 61.8 area of this entire swing. This upside momentum can give a good swing move as well, swing trade as well. So this is the scenario. Just keep this set up on your watch list. Next one is AB Capital. AB Capital has given a good move to the upside, breaking all these resistances on a short term. So once there is a pullback, buy around 127.85. Keep the stop loss around 126.5 below this, and target will be 130.8. Just in case this shows a good momentum and tries something like this, consolidation just above 50%, then apply the second logic. Buy above this, what is that? 130. Buy around 130 and put the stop loss somewhere around here. Close as that. Simple strategy. If it starts to give a pullback, watch out for 61.8 retracement, which is 127.85, without breaking this low. Then your up move will be intact. If it is having a good momentum, then it will definitely not give a deep pullback. Then apply the second logic. Just be in the trade when there is a high momentum. Simple logic. Okay, let's look at the third one, which is PVR. Same case here. It has given a pullback, buy above 1794, or just put a buy order around 1794. Keep the stop loss around 1775.5, and once it makes a decisive move to the upside, you start trailing the stop losses behind each swing low. And if it is not going upside, it will possibly hit your stop loss. The only two things which can happen in a trade. All right. Next one is Container Corp. Container Corp has given a breakout above this swing from 744 to 725. This is the swing, and it has moved just up. It made a whipsaw here. So we'll be watching for the 61.8 retracement, which is 645 or 644.9. Stop loss will be not 736. Pardon me, it should be 744, I guess. So the entry will be somewhere around 744.9 or 745. Stop loss will be 736.6, and possible target to the upside will be 764.1 or 764 roughly. So these are the setups which should be kept on watch list for next trading sessions, couple of trading sessions. And if you find the setup which has been explained in the video, you can open the trade positions as per that. All right, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe it and share it with your friends. Please do hit the notification bell icon, so that you can get notified for every video which is being posted to the channel. We will be posting different strategies and daily basis analysis of multiple stock. I usually try to post 4 stocks for each day, and you can trade along with the analysis which has been explained in the video. If you like the content, just support the channel and share it with your friends. If you got any query or suggestion, or you want any stock to be analyzed on technical fronts, please do post in the comment section, and I will be replying it back. Till then, thank you very much.